You've spent decades building a life of comfort. You've earned the nice house, the good furniture, and the well-stocked kitchen. Yet all that success feels hollow when you find yourself in a 20-minute wrestling match with a jar of pickles, or treating a pair of compression socks like an Olympic gymnastics routine. For generations, the medical establishment and society at large have sold us a specific script. They tell you that stiff joints and fading grip strength are an inevitable toll. You are expected to either quietly endure these daily indignities or start browsing brochures for an assisted living facility. But stiff joints and weakened hands are simply hardware limitations. Like any hardware problem, these can be solved by choosing the right tools to interact with your environment. This is the concept behind the frictionless estate. By selectively integrating premium, specialized gadgets, many of which are hiding right now on Amazon, you can systematically remove the physical roadblocks built into your own house. By deploying the right tools, you solve the physical friction of daily life. It allows you to stay in your own home and manage the small tasks yourself without needing to ask for a hand. In the kitchen, where a loss of fine motor strength usually shows up first, you can employ the Robo Twist Deluxe. It acts as a robotic proxy for your hands. Set it on lids ranging from 1.2 to 3.5 inches. Press a button, and the motor generates the exact torque needed to break the vacuum seal for you. This mechanical leverage applies to smaller, more tedious tasks too. The Echu pill cutter uses an enclosed sliding blade to divide tablets without requiring a forceful pinch. Similarly, the Keywing wraps standard keys in an ergonomic shell, creating a wide lever that turns the lock with minimal effort. Managing the electronics in your home can be simplified as well. Bending down to reach outlets behind heavy sofas invites unnecessary strain. Smart Wi-Fi outlets solve this. You plug your lamps and appliances into them once, and the physical interface is moved to your phone. Once those outlets are linked to a system like Alexa or Google Home, you control the room's lighting using only your voice. You can shut down the entire living room or turn on the bedroom lights from your armchair. Outsourcing these repetitive, fine motor chores to simple machines preserves your physical energy. You can spend that strength on the activities and people you actually enjoy. The front door represents a primary point of physical exertion, especially if you have to get up repeatedly to answer it or check on deliveries. Biometric upgrades remove that exertion. The TCL D1 Pro Palm Vein Lock reads the unique vascular patterns in your hand. You simply hold your palm a few inches from the sensor, and the deadbolt retracts instantly. If you prefer a traditional look, the Level Lock Plus packs its smart capabilities inside what looks like a standard metal deadbolt. It maintains the original curb appeal of your home while allowing you to unlock the door with a quick tap of your smartphone or an Apple Watch. Pair either of those locks with a Wise video doorbell to create a screening system. Its wide-angle lens and two-way audio let you see and speak to visitors directly from your phone or tablet. When you combine a doorbell camera with a smart lock, you can manage your entryway without standing up. You can verify a family member or a repair technician and then grant them access from your seat. A secured, automated entryway allows you to manage the house on your own terms. You control exactly who enters and when, without the need for physical effort. Outside the home, traditional mobility aids have often prioritized clinical utility over style. However, modern mobility tools are now designed as high-performance physical upgrades. The iBot wheelchair uses a gyroscopic system and four-wheel independent rotation to shift its center of gravity. This allows it to climb straight staircases or lift the user into an elevated two-wheel stance to interact with others at eye level. For lighter support, the iWalk 3.0 straps to the thigh to bypass below-knee injuries, enabling hands-free movement. For those who need a cane, the Hurricane features a pivoting base that mimics the natural motion of the ankle for better stability on uneven ground. Back inside, you can mitigate bathroom fall risks with high-tension suction grab bars and the AX swivel bath bench. These tools allow you to transfer into the tub without straining your joints or back. You can even upgrade your health monitoring. The Huawei Watch D2 features a micropump and inflatable strap built into the band, taking accurate blood pressure readings right from your wrist. A moment of wonder. These bionic upgrades neutralize the obstacles of gravity and terrain. They provide the stability and data needed to maintain an active life outside of a medical facility. In this optimized environment, the house responds to your physical needs. Doors respond to your biometrics, lights trigger at the sound of your voice, and many of the daily physical hazards of homeownership have been removed. This setup also provides a benefit for your family and caregivers. Because your smart locks log access and your wearables track vital signs, they can stay informed about your well-being without needing to hover. Choosing these tools is a strategic way to retain control over your space. It allows you to maintain your lifestyle by simply upgrading the hardware you use to interact with it. The idea that you have to quietly endure a loss of physical function is outdated. Today, aging cleverly is the new standard for staying in your home. If you are ready to upgrade your own hardware, check the links in the description below to find these Amazon gadgets, and make sure to subscribe to Tech for Seniors for